Starting a business from scratch may seem like an impossible dream, but it's entirely within your reach if you have the right mindset and strategy. Every successful business you see today, whether a tech giant or a cozy local shop, began with a single idea. But turning that idea into a profitable venture requires more than passion. It takes planning, resilience, and smart execution. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of building a thriving business from the ground up, covering everything from finding your niche and creating a business plan to marketing and scaling for success. Today, we will talk about how to build a profitable business from scratch. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Building a business from scratch can feel like an impossible task. The idea of going from zero to success often seems overwhelming, and the fear of failure is real. But what if I told you that millions of people have built successful businesses from nothing, and you can too? The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step: creating a profitable business that works for you. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to building a business from the ground up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to turn your idea into a real thriving business. Stay with us until the end to learn crucial tips that can save you time, money, and frustration on your entrepreneurial journey. 10. Identify a profitable idea. The first step in building any business is identifying a profitable idea. The key here is not just choosing something you're passionate about, but something that has a market demand. Before you get too excited about a business idea, take some time to research the market. Find out what people need, what problems they're facing, and how your product or service can provide a solution. Start by observing the world around you. What products or services do people frequently talk about? What are the gaps in the market? Use social media, online forums, and Google Trends to identify what people are looking for. A good business idea solves a problem, fulfills a need, or improves an existing product or service. 9. Create a solid business plan. Once your idea is validated, the next step is creating a detailed business plan. Think of this as the blueprint for your business. A business plan will help you outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, budget, and overall vision for the future. 8. Secure funding for your business. Starting a business requires money, and in most cases, you'll need to find a way to secure funding. Fortunately, there are several options available. Traditional sources of funding include bank loans, small business loans, and grants. You can also explore more modern options, such as crowdfunding or seeking investment from venture capitalists. Before you dive into any of these, it's important to have a clear understanding of how much money you need to get started. Calculate your initial costs, which could include things like business registration, product development, marketing, office space, and salaries. Make sure to have a solid financial plan and realistic expectations about how long it will take to become profitable. 7. Set up your business structure. Now that you have your funding, it's time to set up your business structure. This involves choosing the type of business entity that best fits your needs. 6. Build your brand identity. A strong brand identity is essential for setting your business apart from the competition. Think about the companies you admire. What makes their brand stand out? A powerful brand resonates with your audience and helps build trust. Start by creating a memorable name and logo for your business. Make sure it aligns with your mission and appeals to your target market. Next, define your brand voice. Are you fun and playful, professional and serious, or something else entirely? The way you communicate with your customers is just as important as what you're selling. 5. Build your online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is critical to the success of any business. Start by building a professional website that highlights your products or services and provides valuable information to your customers. Make sure your website is user-friendly, mobile-optimized, and fast-loading. In addition to a website, create social media profiles on platforms relevant to your audience, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. These platforms allow you to engage with your customers directly, share updates, and promote your brand. Use social media as a tool to connect with your audience, build relationships, and ultimately drive traffic to your website. 4. Market your business effectively. Marketing is a crucial part of building a profitable business. But before you jump into advertising, take the time to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their pain points? What kind of content do they engage with? Once you have a clear picture of your audience, you can begin to craft your marketing strategy. Start by using cost-effective methods such as content marketing, social media, and email campaigns. Blogging, videos, and infographics are great ways to share valuable information and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Additionally, consider running paid advertising campaigns, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads, to boost your visibility and drive traffic to your website. Focus on targeting the right audience with the right message to maximize your return on investment. 3. Deliver exceptional customer service. A business is only as good as its customer service. To ensure your business thrives, focus on delivering outstanding service to your customers. This means responding to inquiries promptly, resolving issues efficiently, and always putting the customer's needs first. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and will also refer others to your business. The goal is to create long-term relationships, not just one-time sales. Make it easy for customers to contact you. Offer personalized experiences, and always follow up to ensure their satisfaction. 2. Stay organized and manage finances. Effective financial management is critical to the success of your business. Set up a solid bookkeeping system that allows you to track income and expenses, manage cash flow, and prepare for taxes. Consider using accounting software or hiring a professional accountant to keep things in order. In addition to tracking finances, set up a business budget. A clear budget will help you manage your resources wisely and avoid unnecessary expenses. Pay attention to cash flow. Make sure you're bringing in enough money to cover your expenses and invest in growing your business. 1. Scale your business. Once your business is up and running, the final step is to scale it. Scaling means expanding your operations to meet increasing demand. This could mean hiring employees, investing in new equipment, or exploring new markets. However, scaling a business comes with its own challenges. You'll need to ensure your operations are streamlined and that you can maintain the same level of quality and customer service while expanding. Consider outsourcing tasks or automating processes to help manage the increased workload. Building a profitable business from scratch is a journey that requires hard work, patience, and a lot of dedication. But with the right strategy, mindset, and persistence, you can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Follow the steps outlined in this video and take action today. Remember, no successful business was built overnight. Keep learning, stay focused, and always strive to provide value to your customers. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.